super short shotgun na nakuha natin for a super cheap price. Tara, tignan natin. So, hindi ito brand new shotgun. Second hand siya, nakuha natin from our friend, si Philippine Ricochet Line. This is the Barathrum SPA-8T. Unbox na natin. And okay, here we go. So, super short shotgun nga. Anong kasama sa box? Meron tayong instruction manual. Meron tayong dummy rounds. And then, ito meron tayong sling. And then, optional na sling swivel kung pwede natin ilagay dito sa likod ng buttstock. And 25 na double aught buckshot from Magtech. Okay, so nung in-offer sa, actually ako yung nagtanong kung binibenta ba niya, and nung in-offer niya sa akin, grabe, so nasa 4 digits lang. Sino ba hindi makakahindi dun sa presyong ganon, diba? So okay, quick specs. Barathrum SPA-8T. Okay, super short. Overall length 26 inches. Barrel length 8.2 inches. Okay, magazine tube holds 2 rounds with an overall capacity of 2+1. And then for the barrel, yes, ano siya, it can accommodate 3-inch magnum shells. Okay, and then for the barrel natin, cylinder bore, and hindi siya pwedeng mag-accept ng chokes. So that's it for the front end. Ito yung receiver natin. So as you can see, may loading gate siya. Ako, honestly, I don't understand kung bakit may ganito sa isang pump shotgun. But yeah, there you go. Then, and pag tinignan naman natin itong magazine tube natin, ito, may high-vis magazine follower na tayo, diba? So color red, kitang-kita mo if empty ka na. But since 2+1 shotgun lang ito, I think madali lang na keep track kung ilang rounds na yun na-expend mo or nasa magazine. Okay, so for the controls, ito yung action release natin. Okay, so pag pinasa mo yung shotgun, may live round ka in the chamber. If you want to press check or if you want to get rid of that round, you have to press this before you land kasi nakalock. Okay, so crossbolt safety. Okay, so if you're a right-handed shooter, this is safe. Pag press mo yung ganyan, nakita mo yung red ring. Yan, may red, that is fire. Okay, so for the controls of this shotgun, medyo hindi ako fan. Mas prefer ko pa rin yung system ni Mossberg. But yeah, we'll discuss that in another video. And of course, pistol grip na siya with a stock. Okay, so ito stock natin, telescopic stock. Okay, and then meron tayong lalagyan for 4 rounds of 12 gauge. So as you can see, dummy round. Saksak natin. So ideally, meron kang additional 4 rounds dito sa shotgun na to. Pero as you can see here, medyo hindi pulido yung pagkakagawa. So, i-dremel pa natin yan. So, as you can see here, ganda rin na hindi siya madaling malaglag. So, hindi talaga pwede. So, re-remedyohan natin yan in another video. So, there, madali ba malaglag? Okay, so, ito naman, ayan, halos hindi gumalaw. Halos. Pero when you need it, yeah. Oops. So yun, sorry guys, mahirap mag-film and demo at the same time. So, ayun. And then of course, meron tayong provisions for a sling. Okay. And then pwede mo rin gamitin to. So, dito sa area natin. Pero okay na ako. I'm okay with this. And then dito sa front end natin, meron tayong sling swivel. Okay. Also guys, naka ano na pala siya. Bead sight lang to na fiber optic. Okay. So wala siyang rear sight. And of course, rubber butt pad. And oo nga pala guys, before I forget, nakalimutan ko i-discuss to. So may folding vertical grip na pala siya. Personally, if you ask me, parang hindi ako nagagandahan. So, gagawa natin ang paraan yan, syempre. So, tanggalin lang muna natin. And okay, natanggal na natin. So, ayan siya. Okay, so yung folding vert grip, medyo hindi ko trip eh. So, ano lang naman, aesthetic wise, arte ko lang naman ito. So, at first, akala ko may Picatinny rail siya. At dito sa part na to, pero ayun nga, parang proprietary. So I tried other vertical grips, hindi siya pwede. So yan, gagawan rin natin ang paraan yan sa next video natin para pwede tayo maglagay ng ano, iba't ibang vertical grips, diba? So fortunately, hindi ko kaya siguro to. So kailangan pa gunsmith. So yun lang, pahabol lang, and that's it. Ayun na nga, nabili ko lang siya for 4 digits, so mahirap talaga tanggihan. And the fact that papalapit na yung gun ban, medyo marami tayong locations na kailangan paglagyan ng baril. So, okay na yun. Cheap. It's a cheap gun na pwede mo isuksok sa kung saan-saan. Okay, so that's it guys, yun yung unboxing video natin for the Barathrome SPA-8T. Don't worry, meron tayong susunod na video dito and isi-set up naman natin siya. Okay? So, yun yung next project ko, kung ano-ano ikakabit natin dito. And I hope you'll stay tuned para dun sa future video natin na yun. And that's it guys, super short video, unboxing lang. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next one.